Good morning, you guys. How are ya? Hope you guys are doing well. We have got lots of things going on over here. We're videotaping pretty much every day, doing some traveling, doing some just lots of business stuff going on, trying to be a lot more active on Instagram, on Facebook, and our normal 3 videos a week here on YouTube. So it's been a while. It's time for another large sign carvers of the day. Let's just jump right into it. I think we got about 30 of them here. All right. First off, Mike Scott, kind of a cool, I don't know what they call these, kind of a picture within a picture thing, but I know you can find a lot of these on Google, all over the internet. Anyway, great job, Mike. This one's really cool. Michael Maynard. This is a 15 by 24 with a 1-inch frame. Get this, the stain is used diesel oil. That's what he used to stain that that background. Really cool idea. I'd never seen that done or heard about that before. Probably got the idea off of YouTube. Great job, Michael. Love it. Looks great. This one's really cool. This is my buddy over in the UK, Mark. I think he's in the UK. So this is Green Man. And it's kind of similar to the Wood Spirit thing. And this is 19 by 27. And this is to cover the front of his pond filter. I just think it's very clever, Mark. Great job. Bill Ross. So this one is...
wine caddy, wine glass.
Yeah, it looks like a wine glass. Kind of what we do with the Empathy Wine Gary V stuff. Yeah. Great job. Looks like it's scroll work with some lamination. Terrific job, Bill. George Smart. He's a Jaws fan. So this is the characters from Jaws, in case you don't know. I could name off the names, but most of them. Quint is in the middle, and Roy Scheider and Richard Dreyfuss. Anyway. Great job, George. I love it.
I think you got back. I think Richard Dreyfuss is on this side.
Richard Dreyfuss is here.
Oh, that's Richard Dreyfuss.
Yeah, that's Roy Scheider.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yep.
That's right.
Kim Nash from Canada.
Oh, that's cute.
Really cool. I love it. And I love the way you did the frame, Kim. Looks terrific. Very nice. Kevin and Karen Matson. Oh. Fingers are fumbling. So Kevin carved it and Karen painted it. This is for their son-in-law, and this is his Air Force unit. Really cool. Great job, you guys. Terrific. Shane Northridge, another one from Shane, another one of the totem poles. So this is 6 inches by 6 foot, and he used a fencing picket. I love his colors. Shane, great job. Gary Litchfield. This is his business sign, and he also does walking sticks. Great job, Gary. Love it. This one's kind of a functional sign. So this sign is made for the Scouts to make sure that they drink plenty of water at summer camps. Good job, John. Love it. All right. Kelly Gingras. Laminated purple heart and maple. Now, Kelly used the Milescraft system for the letters. And as soon as I saw it, I thought it looked familiar. So he used the Milescraft system for the letters, but then freehanded the soldier. I think that's one of our layout templates on the soldier.
I don't know if that one.
It looks just like that. Anyway, great job, Kelly. Very first sign by Brandy Johnson.
Wow, good job.
Terrific job, Brandy. Keep up the great work. Looks good. This one's really spectacular. Ruben Garcia. I'm not normally a fan of the torch thing, but it sure works on this one. Some of the torch stuff, I just grew up with seeing a lot of torch stuff when I was a kid, so I'm not a fan of it most of the time, but there's some times that I am, and this is one of those. I think it really fits. Great job, Reuben. Denny Majetic, so he had done another lampshade before that he had actually bought the lampshade the way it was. This one he actually scroll sawed it. He scroll sawed that lampshade.
That's awesome. I like that.
Isn't that cool? Really neat. Looks like our little moose layout thing there at the bottom. Great job, Denny. All right. Now the pictures go sideways. This one's really cool. Bruce Hucks. It made this for a local
That's cute.
a local barbecue place that they go to, which I think is, you guys have heard me talk about that a lot. Restaurants that you frequent, make them a sign. Chances are they'll spread the word, but that's a great logo to do. Love it, Bruce. Great job. Sharon Craig. Very cool. I like that shape. Slingshot Charlie's. So I don't know if that's I don't have any details on this. I don't know if I forgot to write him down or Sharon didn't give them to me. But very cool. I love it. Dusty Lindsay. So Dusty made this for his parents' 50th birthday party.
50th anniversary.
50th anniversary. What did I say? Birthday? Anniversary party. Yeah, they loved it. Great job, Dusty. Here's one that's really spectacular. Michael Smith. This is that's his business name is Liberty Flags and Design on Instagram. Probably on Facebook too. But that's really cool. Great job, Michael. Brian Johnson.
First sign?
First sign. To me, it looks like oak. I don't know for sure if it is oak, but it does look like oak to me. But if it is, even more kudos to Bryan, because oak is not fun to carve, at least not for me. Great job, Bryan. George Orozco.
Is that a C?
I think that's a C, yes. It's a C on my side. Did I not make it look like a C? No, it's a C. So he made this after a 14-month break. This was his first sign back. But I think it looks terrific. Great job, George. Beautiful. Brian Smith. And I don't know, I must have been in a hurry that day. I don't know what's up with that. But he used old router bits he found in his father-in-law's tools.
Good job.
Yeah. And without having the right router bits, it's tough. But that looks really good, Brian. Great job. Good idea. I think I need a drink. Hang on, guys. Starting to turn into my dad. Wayne Jones. 12 by 13, and it's natural cherry.
I like that.
Really nice. Very nice, Wayne. Love it. Dave Levesque. That's how you pronounce his name. Dave did something here that I see once in a while, but I don't see a lot. Remember, guys, I can only really use one picture per person per month. So if I get more than one picture at a time, I can't do it. And I'll generally write you an email. But if you put all of, multiple signs in one picture, that's a great way to show more than one sign at a time. Great job, Dave. I love your work. Terrific. Andy Littleton. What's on this one? Jack's Piddling Place. Very nice, Andy.
I like that little artwork.
Yeah, nice little logo there. Great job, Andy. Brennan Elza.
Wow, I like that.
From Roanoke, Virginia. Roanoke is Roanoke Star, which is what this is the big attraction there. And Brennan does a lot of these. The star with the kind of the, what do they call that, skyline. Yeah, skyline. And he does really well with these, does a lot of them. Great job, Brennan. Love it. Miguel Garza. So Miguel did these, he's from Delano, California. I know where that is. And he did these for his wife and daughter for graduation. And it shortly afterwards, someone wanted one of the paws and ordered 7 of them. So he got some big time orders for these paws after he did these for a graduation. Great job, Miguel. Nice niche. Lucky and blessed. I like it. Eliza Colombo.
Second sign.
And this is Charlie Worcester, who we know Charlie, tunes in all the time. This is his cousin. And he sent her to us, and she's started making signs herself. So, terrific job, I think I'm saying that right. Eliza. Could be either one, I suppose. Great job. Thanks for passing on our stuff over to your cousin, Charlie. Appreciate that. Peter Lamonto. This is, we have a layout template. I don't know if this was done with our layout template. Kind of looks like it. But I see a lot of t-shirts with that on it. Tombstone fans. Huh?
It's a favorite quote from our movie.
Yep. Great job, Peter.
A quote from our favorite movie.
Yeah. Leo Deal, I think. So what's that say?
Side by side or miles apart, grandkids are never far from the heart. Wow, good job.
Very nice. Beautiful board. Looks like cedar. I'm not sure. But it looks like it's, yeah, that's beautiful board, Leo. I like it. Great job. And last but not least, Mark Brown in Sunderland, England. This is 12 by 26. He used the 60 and the 90 bits. Great job.
It's definitely like John Wayne, too.
Yep, that's very nice. And I like the way he put these other little piece of artwork in there. Great job. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks again for sending in these pictures. Keep them coming. I think I got through like the middle of June, I think, now. So I'm still a month and a half behind, but we'll be doing another Sign Carvers of the Day probably within the next couple weeks. So keep those pictures coming. But again, like I said before, remember I can only take one per person per month. So if you've sent one in the last 30 days, hold off and then, you know, wait 30 days. If you don't remember, send it to me anyway and I'll let you know. Anyway, guys, I love it when you guys send this stuff, so keep them coming. And I understand you guys like it too, so keep them coming. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. So if you have any questions, email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you need any router bits or supplies, anything like that, there's the website. We're on Instagram every day, Make a Wood Sign, on Pinterest very soon, maybe by the time you see this. So thanks again, guys. We will see you on the next video. We love you. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.